Good morning. It's Saturday, priceless people. I'm here today to give you that extra push to get up, clean, and declutter that refrigerator. You see my before, you know it needs to be clean. So if you're looking in your refrigerator and it looks like mine, then let's do this together. So first things first, let's take everything out. And due to my limited counter space, I'm only taking out the things in the main fridge first. So I love my Dawn Power Wash and Clorox combination to clean my fridge. For a more natural cleaner, you can use hot water and vinegar. I like to spray things down and wait about 5 minutes. And as you can see, this is why you need to take all of the shelves out for a deep cleaning. If you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Next up, wash all shelves and removable parts with hot soapy water. Rinse well, dry, and then return to your refrigerator. Okay, so here's the part where I take a deep breath, putting the glass back in. Woo! I made it. To organize and contain like items, I opt to use clear acrylic bins. You can find them almost anywhere, like Walmart, Big Lots, Home Goods, and of course, Amazon. Food prices are skyrocketing. So to save money, to save my coins and not to waste food, items must fit in the bin. Restock or purchase more when we get to half capacity. If you're new here, good Saturday morning to you. And thanks for sharing part of your day with me. And to my loyal, priceless people, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. Now it's time to work my way to, the front of the fridge, the door area. Following my same routine, taking everything out, wiping and washing everything down with hot soapy water, rinsing and drying, and now reorganizing. This is also a great opportunity to check the dates on all of your food items. If you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. This is a lifestyle channel where we enjoy home decor, cooking, baking, cleaning, decorating, vlogs, shopping hauls. Well, it's a lifestyle channel, and I think you will enjoy what we're doing here, all budget friendly. So I purchased a few of these veggie savers from Tuesday Morning. Now this freezer part needs to be cleaned and decluttered as well. I have a larger freezer, but I opt to keep a few items here in the main refrigerator. Listen, this is the tricky part. You see all of this gook down here, these crumbs. My arms are so short, but I'm doing the best that I can. So I'm getting closer to 300 subbies. Woohoo! Yay me! So thank you for continuing to help my channel grow. Share this video with your mom, your sister, your brother, anyone who loves YouTube and anyone who loves cleaning and decorating and definitely shopping on a budget. We're growing over here, and it's all because of you. Every time you give me a like, you give me a thumbs up, you comment, it helps to spread my video out to more people on YouTube. And for that, I say thank you. So I hope this video gives you the motivation you need to clean out your refrigerator and freezer, declutter expired items, deep clean and organize your food so it's easier to see what you have. This makes meal planning and meal prep easier and helps you save money on grocery as well. So after this video, what are you going to do? Come on, clean that fridge and freezer on today. So this is an extra video in the midst of my Spring 22 Shades of Blue series. If you have not watched those videos already, make sure you see video number 1, my living room refresh. Video number 2, my dining room tablescape. And video number 3, my Shades of Blue bathroom. Make sure you watch all 3 videos. Give me 3 thumbs up and of course 3 comments. I love to chat it up with you in the comment section. So now, without further ado, the moment we've been waiting for, the big reveal. So continue to enjoy your day. And I look forward to you liking, commenting, sharing my video. Thanks again for watching. Remember, stay safe, stay blessed. Remember, you are absolutely priceless. And I'll see you in my next video.